need a sick day tomorrow.
Moms don't take sick days. Moms take NyQuil Severe. Sniff whiskies and coffee can give their best sleep with a cold
Daddy, did you get my surprise?
It's the little things that make life rich. Ritz.
Do you have trouble falling asleep? Do you toss and turn all night or wake up with a sore neck or headache? Then it's time to try My Pillow.
Hello, I'm Mike Lindell, inventor of My Pillow. Just like you, I had trouble sleeping. I tried every pillow out there and nothing worked. 10 years ago, I invented My Pillow. It took me 2 years to develop because I wanted to have everything you would ever want in a pillow. I made sure that you could adjust my patented fill so you could have the exact support you need as an individual regardless of your sleep position. I also wanted a pillow that would last, so I made My Pillow machine washable and dryable. I back My Pillow with a 10-year warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Not only that, I do all my manufacturing in my home state of Minnesota. Now I'm proud to announce that My Pillow is the official pillow of the National Sleep Foundation. To celebrate, I'm giving you a very special offer. Go to mypillow.com or call now to order one of My Pillows. When you do, I'll give you a second one absolutely free.
Other pillows go flat, causing you to fold them over or use your arm for support, which can cause pain. Hard foam pillows can raise your head too high, making you very uncomfortable. But the revolutionary My Pillow has patented fill that won't go flat and keeps your neck supported and aligned to your exact individual need. My Pillow lets you get and stay in deep sleep all night long.
My Pillow is the greatest pillow in the world because I wake up rested every single morning.
With My Pillow, I can just relax and slip into that deep sleep, and I stay there throughout the night. So I love My Pillow.
I personally guarantee that My Pillow will be the most comfortable pillow you'll ever own. And I want to thank each and every one of you for your support over the last 10 years.
Go online now to order My Pillow, and Mike will give you a second pillow absolutely